It was almost like I didn't plan on becoming a filmmaker, but I did. I was running businesses using social media like everyone else, and I needed content that actually worked. At first, my camera was just a tool, but I kept pushing it further because I cared about how things were explained, not just how they looked. I wasn't trying to make noise or chase trends. I wanted my content to be clear and intentional. I wanted people to understand what they were seeing and why it mattered. That's when creating stopped being casual and started becoming a craft. To do that, I invested in better tools. Then I spent a year in Alaska filming constantly. Landscapes, movement, changing light, learning what the camera can really do and stay with it for a while. The footage was strong, but something was missing. A beautiful shot doesn't explain anything on its own. And without structure, even the best images don't hold attention, translate into value. After Alaska, we drove from Alaska to North Carolina. I documented the entire trip. This time, it wasn't just scenery. It was progression, decisions, consequences. I had more footage than I could manage and no real way to shape it into a finished story. And that's what led me to Full Sail. I needed to learn how to organize ideas, control image and sound, and finish what I started. Through coursework and projects, I learned how to plan shots, manage color and exposure, write with intention, and edit towards meaning. My first completed short film was the first time I carried a project from concept to delivery. This work reflects where I am now. I know how to execute small production, I know how to use visuals to explain ideas, and I'm actively refining a voice that connects storytelling with real-world purpose, especially for professionals and businesses that need clarity.